Oh! It went in!
I am deeply sorry for my irresponsible and selfish behavior I engaged in.
What I'd like you to do is stand with your feet together and your arms down by your side, okay? All right, put your feet all the way together just like last time. Okay. Do you know the English alphabet from A to Z?
Turn around. Okay, thank you.
Police Department, I have arrested and charged Eldrick Tiger Woods with DUI pursuant to Chapter 316. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Any statement must be freely and voluntarily given. Any statement can be and will be used against you in the court of law. Do you understand your rights as I've read them to you?